Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto G23 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both. Now tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then download this free app from this developer and when it's ready, open it. In order to transfer files using this app, you need to do exactly the same on both smartphones. Tap on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Now on Motorola, tap on Send at the bottom left corner if it's not already on. Then select Receive next to Send at the bottom of your Android. Also on an Android, pick the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Motorola. Finally, you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories above, and this way select all of those files. Then click on Send at the bottom next to selected. You can also just click on some of your files, in my case this one photo, tap on Send as well, and click on Got it and here's some tip pop-up. Now pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, you need to tap on the scanning icon on an Android located next to Input key. In this pop-up, select while using the app or only this time to allow camera access. Lastly, point your device's camera at the code and wait. If you want to enter this 6-digit key instead, tap on Input key section under Enter the key, type in all of those numbers, and connect by tapping on Receive button. Now, after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!